Let's start with the interview preparation part 2. What command can you run to export a Docker image as an archive? This can be done using the docker save command, and the syntax is like this: docker save -o, then put the exported name, .tar, it will be .tar extension, and then the container name. What command can be run to import a pre-exported Docker image into another Docker host? This can be done using docker load command. So the syntax will be like this: docker load -i, then the exported image .tar. Can a POS container be removed from a Docker? No, it is not possible. A container must be in the stopped state before we can remove it. What command is used to check for the version of Docker client and server? The command to use and to get all the version information of the client and server is the docker version. So to get only the server version, we can run docker version -- format. As you can see, server with a single quotation and braces, .server.version. Differentiate between virtualization and containerization. Virtualization, this helps developer to run and host multiple OS on the hardware of a single physical server. The containerization, this helps developer to deploy multiple applications using the same operating system on a single virtual machine of a server. Differentiate between copy and add command that are used in the Docker file. Both commands have a similar functionality, but copy is more preferred because of its higher transparency level than of that of add. Copy provides just the basic support of copying local files into the container, whereas add provides additional features like remote URL and tar extraction support. Can a container start by itself? Yes, it is possible only while using a certain Docker-defined policies while using the docker run command. So following are the available policies. The off, in this, the container will not be restarted in case it is stopped or fails. On failure, here the container restarts by itself only when it's experienced failures or not associated with the user. We have the unless stopped. This using policy ensures that a container can restart only when the command is executed to stop it by the user. And we have the always. This is irrespective of the failure or stopping, the container always gets restarted in this type of policy. So these policies can be used as docker run -dit, then -the start policy value, and the container name. Can you tell the differences between a Docker image and layer? The Docker image, this is built up from a series of read-only layers of instruction. An image corresponds to the Docker container and it is used for speedy operation due to the caching mechanism of each step. But on the other hand, the layer, each layer corresponds to an instruction of the image Docker file. In simple words, the layer is also an image, but it is the image of the instructions run. So consider the example Docker below from Ubuntu. This is the name of the image. Copy.myapp run make myapp cmd python the myapp app.python. Now, what is the purpose of the volume parameter in a docker run command? The syntax of docker run when using the volume is docker run -v host path, then with colon docker path, then the container name. So the volume parameter is used for syncing a directory of a container with any of the host directories. Consider the below command as example: docker run -v /data/app colon with user /src/app myapp. So the above command, as you can see, mounts the directory data app in the host to the user src app directory. We can sync the container with the data files from the host without having the need to restart it. This also ensures data security in case of containers deletion. This ensures that even if the container is deleted, the data of the container exists in the volume mapped host location, making it the easiest way to store the container data. Where are Docker volumes stored in Docker? Volumes are created and managed by Docker and cannot be accessed by non-Docker entities. They are stored in the Docker host file system at var lib docker volumes. Thanks for watching. I will see you in part 3.